Van Gogh, the eminent painter, has said, "The only time I feel alive is when I'm painting." This is very true for me too. I do feel the same way. Sitting in front of the canvas and playing with colors supplies oxygen into my life. I'm Biplav Rai. Welcome to my YouTube channel Colors of Biplav.
Today I have come in a garage for servicing my car. Here I can see a lots of car being repaired. The internal parts are never seen by us because we drive our car just to enjoy the ride. Now I start sketching with charcoal, the frontal view of an engine of a car. Let's enjoy the sketching.
Painting is an expression of an artist and his thought, emotions and desires. An artist always pours the elixir of his heart into his painting to bring out its inner beauty. Now, what is beauty? Beauty is much more than cosmetic. It is not about mere prettiness. Beauty lies basically in every mundane thing under the sun that can be our subject of painting. There are plenty of pretty things around us, but these we might not refer to as beautiful. And it is not difficult to find works of artistic expression that we might agree are beautiful that are not necessarily pretty. Beauty, in the context of art, is rather a measure of expression, a measure of emotion. Beauty of subject of painting basically lies in the eyes of beholder. Here we can say in the eyes of an artist and also in the eyes of the connoisseur of painting. Thus the beautiful art is that which portrays the artist's most profound intended moods and the desired concepts, whether they be pretty and bright or dark and sinister.